ETH, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis when the price was exactly here, we mentioned we cannot look for buy because the price can drop. This is what we get. That's why we mentioned if you want to look for buy, we should get the correction. All right. And now we are within this big correction is as a flat. Now the question is whether this is a start of the give. It can give us one more drop because if we mention if the price break 1642, the next level we're looking for is 1562, or the price continue from here. And how we can trade it, because as we can see the Bitcoin start to move, may the price can continue to move from here without giving us one more drop. Okay, in this case we start to with we start with higher time frame. We are based on daily chart. We are looking at this correction. We want to see we can get any trade setup and with the breakout of this top or not, because if there is the price can break 1942 easily, we can look for the next, which is 2040 and continuation. Okay, that's why we want to see if we get any trade setup for buy from here, may the next move easily can break the previous top, which I'm referring to this top. Okay, in this case we want to see how we can trade if we move to forward chart. Okay, based on forward chart, we have been looking for this move, and this is the correction in relative to this. Okay, that's why we mentioned right now we have 1 2 3, but if we get any reversal we take it, but we need to know that may this one turn to a more complex correction for one more drop. If it happen, the next level what we're looking is for 1562. Okay, that's why we're looking at this. Is a correction or reversal. All right, mostly we are not looking for sell. If we get any buy, we take the trade. We are more interested in the buy. And if we move to 1 hour chart, all right, as of what we can see here, we don't have any buy setup, and right now buying here is not good idea because easily this one can turn to a flat for one more drop. How we can look for buy? Either we wait for the breakout of this top, any buy setup or flag a small correction above that, we take it. Okay, or we wait if we get the correction here, deeper correction, then maybe we can have entry above the top. But having entry above the top is very risky. Price easily can tag and reverse. It depends on the traders, they can manage or not. But if we get the trade within 1 or 2 hours is not moving, we don't stay with the trade. For me right now, I won't have entry. I won't buy here, or even I won't put the entry above the top. If I see the continuation, any trade setup of like a small correction above that, I will take it, or I will wait for the deeper correction. Because if we get the deeper correction, if we have entry above the top, and if you see this is the start of the down move, it won't take us. Okay, but again, it's very risky. By the way, we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is we need to see whether this is a correction for one more drop or not, or the price can continue from here. Okay, as I mentioned, the Bitcoin is moving. Maybe this one can continue from here as well. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.